Hi friends, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I am very happy to interact with you in this video regarding importance of English language. Really, nowadays English is very essential to get a job or wherever we go. It is a globalizing world, it is a competitive world. Then the world will become like a small village so that everyone should learn English. Without English, there is no future. Without English knowledge and without computer knowledge, everyone is treated as illiterate. So, in this video, I would like to explain about how did I learn English. Basically, I am from village background. Up to intermediate completely, I studied in Telugu medium. After intermediate, I was selected English medium as my BSc course since I did not get seat in Telugu medium course. So unfortunately, I got. It was my first day in my class when sir was teaching lesson. I thought he was telling about cockroach, but actually he taught about prawn. So after that I felt very shame because I studied my BSc at Hanamakonda Arts and Science College, which is one of the very famous colleges in Hanamakonda. So all of the students they are coming from local background and English medium background. So in my class, some girls were there. They were talking very posh English, and I could not understand even so how to survive there. So that I did not go to college nearly 3 months. After that, one day I went to Central Library, which was in Hanamakonda, nearby petrol bunk. So after that, there I came to know. I observed one newspaper regarding that quotation about the famous person Swami Vivekananda. So he said only one thing in Telugu. I want to tell you about that one. నీ యొక్క విజయ సాధనలో 1000 నువ్వు ఓడిపోయినా మరొకసారి ప్రయత్నించు. సో these వర్సెస్ they impressed me a lot. So that I decided myself. So why don't I learn English? So I have one habit. Basically, I am from Christian. I studied in Christian school and Christian background. So when I was in school, when I was in school, I studied English sister school, no, so that they were speaking in English. Then just observe them. What are they talking, and what is their conversation? Since I do not know, do not understand even. Just I observe. Then I decided myself one day I want to become a good English speaker and I want to learn English. So later I used to observe the people who are speaking English. Even I do not understand, but I used to copy when I was in intermediate. My English subjects are Mr. Suresh. They encouraged me a lot. So like that, it was a very good impact on about me. So I decided myself to learn English. Then later, slowly imitating others and observing others and what are the words they are using. So same things I used to observe. So gradually I learned, and finally, it was very shocking news. Then I failed all my subjects. BSc I failed. Usually everybody studies 3 years, but I studied 5 years. So uh, finally I decided one thing: without English, there is no future. So I decided myself slowly. I used to observe who are speaking, and I read many books and imitating and dialects, remembering and applying on others. If they laugh, also no problem. So gradually, I learned. Gradually, I learned, and even my teachers was like B.Ed. I selected English as my one of the optional subject, but since there was no proper lecturers, I left that. Then later, like that, these things. So I learned, and finally, by God's grace, especially, it has a great impact on my like sisters and fathers and brothers along with their company. So I learned English. First and foremost, I would like to say one basic thing is if you wish to learn English, first we have to listen the language, then we have to try to speak. Though if you read number of books without practice, we cannot learn English. For example, regarding how to cycle, how to learn a cycling, if you read many books, unless and until you practice cycling, you may not learn cycling. Regarding swimming also, so if you have so much knowledge about theory regarding swimming, unless and until you jump into the water, you will not learn swimming. Likewise, English also. Some you may think, some others may laugh. Let them laugh, no problem. How long they will laugh? Laugh, no problem. Because of you, someone is very happy. So, no need to about others. And all the more they do not know what you are speaking. So, you know what you speak. So, in front of everybody, should not look at them. And before that, we have to practice number of times at our home and how the words are pronouncing. Just basic practice, then you are able to speak. Now, really, by the God's grace, I am able to communicate in English. I feel myself proud. I am good at English. My English is very good. I am able to speak English. So, my dear friends, I hope in this short video you will understand my success and my zeal regarding speaking English. Now, I have been working in English medium school as a biology teacher as well as a English teacher. And thank you, Almighty God, who helped me to learn English. And thank you, my schooling friends and degree friends and my companions and whoever my well wishers. Thank you. If you watch this video, please like my video and say thumbs up. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.